So I just wanted to give a quick update on Microsoft certification. So if people are looking for MB300 certification, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Core Finance and Operation, and that got retired actually on February 29, 2024, okay, which is very recently. If you're just watching this video recently, yeah, it is recent. So this is completely retired. So if you still wanted to write a exam on the same, like on core finance and operations, you have a alternate exam. Actually, yeah, let me show you the alternate exam for the MB 300. You can take the MB 310. Okay, so there is a certification called as a MB 310 here, right? So that name is Microsoft Certified, yeah, D365 Finance Functional Consultant. Okay, so this is only which is related to a functional consultant. So this is the alternate exam for MB 300, as 300 exam got retired. Okay, thank you so much guys. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.